Okay, we're going to take a look at this watercolor exercise, which we're calling Draw a Machine. And what we're going to do here is use watercolors to paint these gears. But we need to think of what materials these are made from. So before, we've been mixing primary colors, secondary colors, we've looked at colors that work together. What we're looking at now is mixing a specific range of colors. So if you can see here, I've started this and I've started painting these, but these gears are going to be metal, so we're going to look at some metal. So if we look at different colors of metal, the metal might range from silver, something like that, which would look a grey or a bluey grey. We might have rusted metal like this, which might have some brown in it, or we might have something like this that has a whole range of colours, going from brown to silver to almost a sort of, with some of the areas of rust, a sort of yellowy brown. So we're going to try and mix that range of colours onto our work. So if we're looking at the paint set here, the colours we're going to be using, we might be using some blue. And as you can see, some of the colours here, I've mixed some blues, so we could use some blues, and maybe, now there's something you can experiment, so I'm just going to start off with a blue and perhaps a black, and that's going to give me a sort of clean metal colour that is probably, oops, a lightish silvery grey. And the idea is each of these gears I suppose I could do the centre there. So there's that gear finished. So the idea is each of the gears is a slightly different colour, which represents a slightly different shade or hue of possibly metal, bright metal, rusty metal, and just mixing those colours to get that variation on all of these parts. So that is the watercolour exercise, drawing a machine using watercolours.